Cardiff in a little way is kind of like a little London now. Land is becoming a premium. So I think you're going to have the same situation as you got in London, where you can't go out in terms of you haven't got the land banks. So what are you going to have to do? You're going to have to go up and you're going to have to go down. As an engineering business, that is perfect for us. The design of tall structures, changing the capital skyline, that will change. You're going to get buildings that are going to be taller and taller. We're currently delivering student accommodation in Cardiff, 25 stories. That's amazing. So I think story height is going to be important for future developments. You've had certainly a lot of development in the bay. So there is still an old industrial stock, land, call it brownfield as you would. That land banks are still, can be tapped into. But I think in terms of a city centre, still way more growth to come. And you're always going to get, in any city's life cycle, where we start to recycle, we start to reuse. We've got some amazing old buildings that can be retained and redeveloped. And we've got some buildings then that are not fit for purpose, as it were. So they will come down and hopefully they will be replaced by larger, taller and far more sustainable buildings that are going to keep the Cardiff economy taking over. So I know I rate the quality of staff that we are finding in Cardiff and the capital region. I think what we found as Curtins is we've got a high percentage of retained staff. So we've always got graduates, we've always got professionally qualified people. High proportion of those have come through Cardiff-based universities, and they are with us. Gosh, and we've had some people who are 30 years with Curtins. So I think that says two things. It says a lot about our business and the way we look after our staff, but it also says a lot about the people. Once you're in Cardiff, some of the grads that we've had, they don't want to leave. They come through excellent universities, and they found a new home in Cardiff. It's just very easy to employ them, it's very easy to train them, and more importantly, it's really super easy to keep them in their business. But it's such a vibrant city, it's easy to do business in Cardiff. People want to be here, they want to do business here, and we want to do business with them. So really, with it in the mix, it's not too difficult. It's not too difficult, so it makes Cardiff such an exciting city.